Hello everyone. Today we are going to see about how to use helical sweep option in Creo parametric. So for this we will design a bolt using helical sweep option. So open Pod Solid. Here we will use MMNS Pod Solid as default template. So here in this image you can see we have M12 bolt for length of 60 mm. So at first we need to create a sketch. So for this we will use top plane, select top plane and enter into the sketch option. So here we will draw a circle for 12 mm and then exit sketch. So we will extrude this circle for 60 mm length here. Okay, this is our first feature. So now for bolt, we need to create the head of the bolt this now. So you can see in this image we have a hexagon here, hexagon bolt. So edge to edge dimension they have given as 21.10 mm and they have extruded it for 7.5 mm length. So again we will enter into extrude option. So select the topmost face here. So here by default we have a palette option here, you can see here. In palette option you select the 6-sided hexagon, drag it and place it in sketch menu. So select the center point of this hexagon and move to the center of this circle. So using this corner edge we can drag and you can change the length of the hexagon. And then select OK. So now we will going to give the dimension for these corner edges. So using normal option, select both corner edges and click mouse scroll button here. So you can see already we have one more dimension here. So we will delete this second dimension. So dimension we are going to give it is here 21.10 mm. And then select OK. So here we are going to extrude this for 7.5 mm length. Okay. So next thing here in bolt head we need to create a chamfer here. So for this we will select the plane, we will select the front plane here. So we will enter into again sketch. So we are going to make chamfer in this corner edges. So using reference, select the both corner edges here. So here we are going to use revolve option. So for that purpose we need a center line here. So I created a sketch and I have making a center line and then again exit sketch. Select revolve option here, top side. So we selected revolve option. So here top side we need to select the revolve cut. Okay. so we got a basic feature here. So next step, we are going to make thread for this bolt. So for this purpose, we will use the helical sweep option. So under sweep, we have helical sweep option. So for this, you need to select the plane and click helical sweep. Okay, so here the first thing is reference. So in reference, we need to define the helical sweep for how much length we are going to make our thread option. So select define, select the plane and then sketch. So again use reference option and select the corner edge. So here in diagram you can see for 30 mm length they have given the thread. So take line option, select this corner edge of this bolt and make a line. So give the dimension as 30 because we need the thread only for 30 mm length, and then click OK. So in reference we have created this sketch, first one. Second thing, we need to select the axis of revolution. So we will select the center axis as a revolution axis. So next thing, we need to make the sketch for the thread. So for this, click on the sketch option here, top side. So we will create our sketch at this point. So we will give the angle as 30 here. So we created a line here. So now we will mirror this line respective this center line here. So click on the line. Select mirror option and then select your center line. So we have created a basic sketch here. We are going to give now fillet for this both lines. Select on fillet option and select line number 1, line number 2. So we will give here dimension as 0.25 mm and then close this open edges. So this will be our basic feature for thread cutting, and then make exit sketch. So here we have cut option. So here we will select the remove material option. So thread is formed here. So here after to reference we have one more option called pitch of the thread. We can change the pitch of the thread. So we will change it as 1 mm. We will make it as 2 otherwise. Okay. So like this you can able to change the pitch of your thread. Here you can see this corner edge, it is not in a correct manner. The edges should be merged with these faces. So for this again we will go for extrude option, select this face, we are going to use here project option, project sketch option. Directly click the edges, what are the edges we need to project it. So we have created the project using project option, we have created the sketches here, and then click OK. flip the direction. So here we are going to use same, again we are going to use remove material option. Now you can see the differences here. So this is a way how to use the helical sweep option. So using helical sweep option, how to draw a M12 bolt. So if you need to change the appearance of the bolt using render option, you can do it.